Hi, welcome to week 4. So in week 4, what we're going to be doing is a little more extensive digging into exploratory data analysis. So really, we're going to be spending these days just getting to know how to explore, how to do analysis on it, how do you have problems that you might want to solve, looking at data in general and understanding outlier, what constitutes that you want to dig into, and kind of focus. So nothing earth-shattering new capabilities, but just learning more and more how to step by step get into the data and manipulate in different ways that'll be helpful. We'll do this both with the R programming tool set again, and with and we'll dig into a little more into Tableau. So this week in Tableau, we're going to be actually building some frames, kind of looking at different windows and how to data from a visual perspective to get some interesting looking trends and charts and things like that really let you understand what the data is trying to tell you. So the gist of the course is going to be run like that. As opposed to the prior week, I don't have a lot of like presentation material to kind of go. I really just want to go. There's an entire chapter in the R for Data Science books called Exploratory Data Analysis, and that's what we're going to pour into. So we're kind of just going to take that chapter of the book, go through that, look at some of the exercises along the way, and have you sort of work along with the author as they go through this analysis, kind of showing you how to do all that. And then on the Tableau side, there'll be an assignment that basically says, all right, let's take the same kind of thinking. Let's go into Tableau now, and you create some of those views, and then tell me through the assignment what those views look like. So you got a good ability to do that analysis in both major tool sets. A discussion question this week. It's sort of like last week, but really looking at the analysis piece of this. Where does this kind of analysis play in your workplace, or in your experiences in the past? How could this be helpful? And then and that's what we'll be doing for the this week. So that's it. Should be kind of fun. Be some different skills, some ways to look at things that might be kind of interesting. So I hope you have a good time, and we'll go ahead and get started.